How to install Saber Plugin for After Effects. First, go to your browser and search for Saber Plugin. Then let's click this first link over here. Scroll down until you find the download button. You can download this one on your Windows or Mac. In my case, let's download this Windows since I'm using Windows 11. Select your path. After downloading, go to the file location. From here, extract this zip file. Then you can now double click this one to install. On the prompt, click on I agree. Then after that, you can custom path over here. Let's just check custom over here and click plugin path. You can choose whichever folder you want to install this one. In my case, I will install this one on my Adobe After Effects folder. So go to your After Effects file location, click this Adobe folder, then Adobe After Effects, and click Support Files. From here, scroll down until you find the plugins folder. Click on that, then click on Effects, and then click Select Folder below. Here, click Install and Finish. To check this, just go to your After Effects, go to Effects and Presets over here, and search for Saber, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.